If your body has been holding more than it was ever meant to carry, tight shoulders, a guarded chest, a jaw that won't quite soften, you're in the right place. This is not a meditation to fix you. It's a space where nothing needs to be managed, improved, or pushed through. I'm Rhea Rivers, your guide for this journey of release. By the end of this meditation, your breath will feel easier, your body lighter, and the tension you've been carrying will finally know it's safe to let go. Take a slow breath in, not forcing it, just noticing it arrive. And exhale gently, as if you're setting something heavy down for the first time today. Again, inhale softly, and exhale longer than before, inviting your nervous system to slow. As your breath settles, imagine yourself standing inside a vast, quiet canyon at dawn. Tall stone walls rise on either side, ancient, steady, unhurried. This place has held pressure for thousands of years, and it knows something important. Nothing softens under force, only under time and patience. The ground beneath you is cool and solid. Every step here is supported. Breathe in, feeling the canyon's stillness wrap around you. Exhale, and let your shoulders drop without effort. Ahead, a slow, clear river moves through the canyon floor. It doesn't rush. It doesn't resist. It releases what it carries moment by moment. You walk toward the water. With each step, you become aware of places in your body that have been bracing. Your neck, your lower back, your hands. Breathe in and acknowledge the tension without judgment. Exhale, allowing it to soften, even by one small degree. You kneel at the river's edge. The water reflects the sky, wide open, unconcerned. As you place your hands just above the surface, you realize something quietly powerful. Your tension has never been a failure. It has been a language. The body's way of saying, I've been holding too much for too long. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Repeat gently in your mind, I no longer need to brace for what has already passed. A subtle warmth moves through your arms. Your jaw unclenches. Your breath deepens naturally. You notice the river carrying away small fragments of tension, not dramatically, but steadily, honestly. Repeat softly in your mind. I release the belief that rest must be earned. My body deserves ease simply because it exists. The canyon walls seem to widen slightly. Space appears where pressure once lived. Breathe in. Exhale fully. A realization settles in, not as words but as truth. You are not tense because you are weak. You are tense because you have been strong for too long without relief. Let that land. Repeat in your mind. I allow strength to coexist with softness. I do not have to hold everything alone. Your spine lengthens gently. Your breath moves lower, deeper. The river continues on, and with it goes the quiet urgency to stay alert, prepared, guarded. Another insight rises, clear and grounding. Peace is not something I reach after I finish everything. Peace begins the moment I stop gripping what was never mine to carry. Inhale slowly. Exhale completely. Repeat softly. I trust my body's wisdom to release when it is safe. Right now is safe. The canyon glows with early light now, not bright, but steady, reassuring. You stand, feeling more present inside your body than before. One final realization arrives, quiet, raw, unmistakable. I don't need to push myself into calm. Calm emerges when I stop resisting myself. Breathe in deeply. Exhale slowly. Repeat gently. My tension is not a flaw to correct. It is a signal from a system that learned to survive. I thank it and I release it. Feel that choice ripple through your chest, your stomach, your legs. Your body remembers how to rest. Take one last full breath in and a long, unforced exhale. When you're ready, allow your awareness to return gently, carrying this looseness, this spaciousness, this permission to release with you. If this meditation supported you, subscribe and join the R&R Story Meditation community, a space where rest is respected and release is always allowed.